I'm getting ready to put a Mighty Mule opener on a gate, and I need a battery box to put these batteries in, and it's hard to find one to fit this size, and if you do, they're like $20 or something like that, which seems kind of crazy to me. But this is what I've got, several of those Mighty Mule openers, and this is what I normally do. I get one of these plain old boxes, and I'll put this in the description for you in case you're interested in buying one. But these are about $7, and it's just an ammo box from Plano. You can also get them at Walmart, and you can see the battery fits in there. It's actually a little big for the battery, but it also gives you a lot of room to put wires and stuff like that in there. So the only thing that you really need to do to make this work is you want to you want to drill a hole out in the bottom to let out any water that would accumulate. And I usually put one in each corner like that. That way, no matter which way you've got it sitting. And then you just drill you a hole to let the wires in. Like that. Now, that is all you really have to do. Now, I go ahead and I attach something like this so that I can screw it to a post, because I'm always afraid somebody's going to run off with my battery. So this way I can slow them down a little bit, and then I'll actually come back, and I don't put a lock on these. I just put a zip tie on it so that somebody couldn't just come by and just take my battery out real quick. They'd have to have thought ahead and brought some wire cutters or something like that. You could put a lock on there, but I still figure people can tear this thing open if they want to. So I just put a zip tie on it when I get done. Now, in order to get this to fit on there, you're going to have to put you a stack of washers to make it stand off a little bit, and that will allow you to still be able to get the lid open and closed like that. Alright, and that's got my battery box made. Now, you can use just any kind of a metal strap for this. I just happen to have this laying around. If I didn't, I would have just used a piece of probably just 1-inch little metal strap that I would put on there to hold that. Anyway, I hope that was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.